were up to him, he'd be wearing the same polo shirt from 2013. So sometimes we have to treat him and get him some new patterns. This is Malreg. If you don't know about Malreg, they are super affordable and always fashionable. My husband has several of these. They are true to size. Look at this pattern. Look at this pattern. So here's what I like about this pattern. Up close, you can see that there's a little bit of a pattern to it. But the nice thing about having that pattern is that it hides like a barbecue stain on my white t-shirt type of stains. Okay, barbecue might show up on this. But if your guy tends to have stains right in this region, having a little bit of a pattern on the shirt will really help. So Malreg is super lightweight, stretchy material, keeps him cool. If he's a little bit of a sweater, very easy to wash, nice structured collar. You got the buttons. It's a great polo shirt. He has several of these, so I know they're true to size. He wears a 2X. He's not a small man, you know, he's a big man. And he absolutely loves Malreg. So if you want to grab him these, refresh his wardrobe at an affordable price, I'll link it for you.